It was really great pleasure to attend on the panel. I think that it's really big topic talking about the food security, and I think that of course the panelists, which we are representing mainly the governmental side or the international organizations, I think that they are really looking at from the different point of view that we do, because we are really seeing the reality in the ground, let's say that in that way. So I think that it's important to talk about the food security because it's not really the only issue in the Africa or Gaza or Ukraine, but it's really the global phenomenon. And then we need to really understand that we can't really fix the problem just organizing or just fixing the one piece of the problem. So it's really the holistic, very big topic where exactly we need to really have the policy coherence in the table. So we really need to understand that what is happening with the trade policies, with the foreign policies, environmental policies, migration, and then of course with the agriculture and the whole food security system. So it's a really complex issue, and I think that from our point of view, the main message really is that this is the food security and access to food needs to be the public good. It's not a commodity, it's a human right. And I think that sometimes the politicians forget on that because they are talking like the theoretical problems, what they're trying to fix the problem. But I think that you're really coming back to the human being level, then you need to see that a little bit in a different eyes. And I think that's a little bit gap on the discussion what we're having. I do understand that in the bigger macro scale, you need to have the standards and you need to have the international rules and all of that. And definitely we are trying to influence on that. And one of the mechanisms what we really would like to have as a civil society globally is that we want to sit in the same table so that we are really taking it seriously because we are a part of the problem at the same time but part of the solution. And I think that the governments only can't really solve that problem. They need to really hear what the citizens are thinking, and anyway the people in the local level, they have the better solutions in practice.
Thank you, Rilli.